Good morning to all of you. My name is Oshi Jain. Today's Viva topic is pharmacological systems. Pharmacological system is for monitoring and evaluating the safety of medications. It involves collection, assessing, and responding to a report of ADR and other medications related issue. Uh, First is data collection. Pharmacovigilance systems gathers information on ADR from various sources including healthcare profession, patients, clinical trials, literature and regulatory authorities, adverse event reporting, healthcare professionals and sometimes patients, and encourage to report any suspected adverse event associated with medications to regulatory agencies or pharmaceutical companies. Data assessments. Once reports are collected, they are undergo assessment to determine the likelihood causal relationship between the medications and adverse event. This involve analyze the severity, frequency and characterize of the reported event, then signal detections. Pharmacovigilance experts use statistical and analytical method to identify potential safety signals indicating previously recognized risks associated with the medications. Then risk management. Upon identifications of safety concern, risk managements are developed implemented to mitigate risks while maximize the benefit of the medications. Then regulatory actions. Regulatory agencies may take various actions based on the finding of the pharmacovigilance, including updating products labels, issuing warnings, restrictions, or even withdrawing the medications. Post-marketing surveillance. Pharmacovigilance continue even after a medication is approved and marketed, ensuring ongoing monitoring of its safety profile in real world. Then collaborations and communications. Pharmacovigilance involve collaborations between healthcare professionals, regulatory agencies, pharmaceutical companies, and other stakeholders to share their information and promotes. Then drug safety global network. Pharmacovigilance systems operate globally with the coordinations between different countries and regions to ensure consistency, monitoring and response to medication safety issue. Pharmacovigilance play a curricular role in public health by identifying and managing the risks associated with medication throughout their life cycle. Then regulatory framework. Pharmacovigilance operates within a regulatory frameworks established by national and international regulatory agencies such as US Food and Drug Administrations, the European Medicines Agency, and the World Health Organizations. These agencies set guidelines and regulations for pharmacovigilance activities. Pharmacovigilance database. Reported adverse events are typically stored in pharmacovigilance database, which are maintained by regulatory agencies or pharmaceutical companies. This database severe as a repositories of the safety data and facilitates signal detections, risk assessment and regulatory decision making. Then risk benefit assessment. Pharmacovigilance involve continuous assessment of the balance between the benefit and risks of the medications. This require weighing of the therapeutic efficacy of a drug against its potential adverse effect, considering factors such as patient populations, disease severity and available alternative treatments. Pharmacovigilance in clinical trials. Monitoring medication safety begins during clinical trial where adverse event and systematically record and reported. Pharmacovigilance then post approval to detect and evaluate rare or long term adverse effect. They may not have been approved during the clinical trial phase. Then pharmacovigilance communications. Timely communicate of safety information is essential in pharmacovigilance. Regulatory agencies safety alert, advertisers and public announcement to healthcare professions and general public rare awareness about potential risks associated with safety medications. assessment of the balance between the benefit and risks of the medications. This required weighing the therapeutic efficacy of a drug against the potential adverse effect, considering factors such as patient populations, disease and severity. Thank you.